Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to remap the Copilot key back to the Control key in a simple and effective way. First, on your Windows computer, download and install Microsoft PowerToys if you don't already have it. Once installed, open PowerToys and go to the Keyboard Manager section from the sidebar. Now, click on Remap a Key, then select Add Key Mapping. In the first column, press the Copilot key on your keyboard so it gets detected. In the second column, choose Control from the drop-down menu. This will make your Copilot key act like the Control key. After setting it up, click OK and then apply the changes. You may need to restart apps for it to fully work. Now, whenever you press the Copilot key, it will function just like Control, making your shortcuts work normally again without any issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.